creators, my name is G. Welcome to my channel, Pretty Crafty. Feel free to create with me. I cut these pieces out using my Silhouette Cameo. These are LOL dolls. They are adorable, absolutely adorable, but I would like to embellish them more because I'm making them into centerpieces. Now, I did use the 11 by 14 poster paper to cut these out, so they are pretty decent size. And what I'm doing right now is that I'm cutting some felt pieces to attach to the back of some little buttons that I purchased from Joann's. The reason why I'm attaching the felt is because the buttons are kind of heavy, so it protects it more. It makes the buttons more secure as I attach it onto the LOL dolls. And if you are new at using the Silhouette Cameo or you have a circuit and would like to purchase these pieces, my email is in the description below, and you could shoot me an email for a fee via Cash App. You could upload these right into your Silhouette Cameo or your circuit design space and revert back to this video to create these with me. You could, as I'm doing, you could do the same thing and you could use many different little things. I'm using pom-poms to create, to just embellish them and give them more of a pop. I'm about to use some ribbon and some stick-on rhinestones just to embellish them. And whatever you have in your craft space, you could be creative and use. That's what I'm doing. And it really helps bring the dolls out, and the kids just love it and they little faces light up. So let's see how these come out. Now what I'm going to do is attach these little pink cute ribbons. I'm going to heat set the ribbon and just attach it to her little ponytails to bring them out just a little bit more. I was going to go with the pom-poms on this one, but I think she'll look better with the cute little bows. Give them something different so they could stand out. Okay, so now that after I attach that, what I'm doing is just adding a little cute rhinestone heart to her nose and little circle rhinestones to her little boots. With her, I'm going to add, let's see, maybe some little pom-poms to her little shoes in between the bow. And there we go. It's coming out good so far. I'm liking how it looks. And these are super easy to cut out. So right now I'm just going to put some little rhinestones across her little bang to give it more of a pop. And these are the sticky back rhinestones. I believe I get them from Hobby Lobby on sale when they are 50% off. I'm just going to take some pom-poms right now and just glue them to the little center of the bows. Much better. So here we go. I'm adding, I believe I got these little dot pop things. They are by Paper Studio, and I'm just going to embellish her dress with them. And I did, as you can see, I'm putting earrings on them. These are just to bring out the little dresses more. So I'm just going to align the little pink, well, hot pink dots across her dress and spread them out evenly. And I'm going to take the light pink ones, and as you can see, I'm spreading them out evenly at the top. Now I'm going to, in a moment, as you can see, I'm going to continue to embellish throughout the video, but in a moment what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them to some little sticks, and I'm going to secure their backs, and I'm going to double side them. But when I double side them, what I'm not going to do is embellish both sides. That's totally up to you guys, but I like to just embellish the front where it's most going to be seen. But I do like to double back my all of my centerpieces, and I do this as well with my cake toppers. I also like to put a back. I don't like nothing to be exposed in the back. It just looks pretty tacky to me when you do that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm turning them over, And I'm going to add some little popsicle stick in various sizes, which I do get from also Hobby Lobby, or you could get them from Michael's, but I buy mine from Hobby Lobby when they're 50% off. And I'm just going to tape it down with my tape runner, and then I'm going to hot glue the other side. And I'm also putting that little stick right here at the bottom to stick in the centerpiece holder so they could be secure. I have to fix my tape because the tape had fell off the runner because I never put the back piece on, as you can see. So right now I'm just finishing these up. Give me a moment while I just put these pieces on. And what I'm getting ready to do now is to add the back piece that I said that I'm not going to embellish. And remember to mirror your back images so it could align up evenly with the front. And she's just about done. If you purchase your cutouts for me, they will already be mirrored so you would know which one is the front and which one is the back. So she's almost done. So give me a second while I finish these beauties, and I'm going to show you how they look on the centerpieces.